Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is Della, and today we will be making fried smothered turkey chops. So you just want to clean them and soak them, and make sure they're nice and clean. Paper towel dry them. Now we about to season them. So you got your sazon with no MSG, some ginger, black pepper, some kosher salt, some cayenne pepper, and you have some garlic powder. So you just want to mix all of that up. Make your own little seasoning. And we're going to make us a nice gravy to smother it in. We got 2 batches of it today. So we're just going to sprinkle some in there and save the rest for the other batch. Season front and back. And remember, you gotta lay them out because they're delicate. They are so delicate. We're gonna fry them in some corn oil. Just rub it down a little bit. Keep them together, they're delicate. We're going to fry them inside of this batter of the Atkinson chicken breader. We're going to see what's that all about. Put them inside of a Ziploc bag with the Atkinson batter. Then mix it. And you put your grease on. That's the corn oil. No cholesterol in corn oil. Turn occasionally. And with that corn oil, you taste your food. You don't taste the grease. So that's a good alternative. Now we're about to take them out. Make sure you get some paper towels so you can drain it. Then get ready for our second batch. Playing around now. Make room for it. This is a large pan right here, so it holds a lot. The cast iron fry things very well. I like to use the large cast iron pan. You get the small ones, the large ones, the medium ones. They come in different sizes. They even got the griddle. And y'all saw me using the griddle before. Invest yourself in a cast iron. It'll change your life. Make the food come out so good. Turn in between. So it'll cook uneven. You want all the crumbs to go to the bottom. That's for your gravy. About 2 or 3 more minutes, be done. They are nicely fried. Now we got to get started on our gravy. So just let those sit, let the grease drain, or you can put them on a wire rack. You want to make sure you turn your grease off, and you want it to cool off completely and transfer into another container. We're going to use this pan right here to make the gravy. Now you want to take the drippings of the pan, put you some onions in there. Brown the onions. Make sure you use the same parts of the fat and the same parts of the flour. We're going to use the same batter for the gravy. Put some of that batter in there. Let that brown up. It smells so good. All that flavor is going to be in there from that drippings. We're going to put a spoon of the seasoning, the same seasoning. sure you season to taste. And then I'm gonna add some water. I'm going to start adding the water. Now you want to stir it until it gets thick. Nice and thick. Don't get scared, it's just gravy. Now the gravy is nice and thick and it's a beautiful color. Now if you want your gravy to be a little bit lighter than this, just don't brown it that long. I brown mine that long because I want it to be a nice color, a rich color. So now we're about to drop that meat in here. So drop it all up in there. And smother it up. Let it get nice. It'll go perfect over some rice. It's a big pan, big enough for everything. So now we about to plate it. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it. Now that just looked beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe. I thank you in advance. I see you guys on the next one. And remember, health is wealth, and we must take care of ourselves.